What is going on, guys? This is our Particle Mapper app. Particle Mapper program. Pretend your room is made up of a bunch of particles, like a trillion particles. Small circles. Elementary particle physics, that's what makes up matter, is elementary particles. It's a very simple version would be wood is made of wood particles, very small wood circles. But that's not the real thing. It's a little different than that. I think there's like 83 or something, or 86 elementary particles, and you can make up everything out of those particles or something. I'm not sure. It worked, and there might be wood particles. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly how that works, guys. I only know the physics part of it. The fact that they're made up of elementary particles. And that they act like little basketballs. Normal physics. Normal physics. When one particle hits another, the particle that was hit just bounces off like normal. Like normal basketballs. If you saw two basketballs hit, one basketball hit another basketball, that's how it would be when at particle size. Now that you know that, this is our particle mapper. You could map out your room's particles. I heard someone won a Nobel Prize for being able to control the particles like a mouse pointer, sorta. Like a mouse pointer on your screen. They're able to control one particle. Someone won a Nobel Prize for that. That's the new day and age. This is a hardware framework. A software framework. It's a software framework meant for hardware. You can make this into a real thing. It's prepared for that. It's made for that. It's an empty canvas for you to develop, improve, modify, and upgrade. Use it to your liking. Completely change it if you want. Because I know the code could be used for other stuff. I'm not sure if you can completely change it, actually, guys. Sorry about that. But you could definitely do the other stuff. This is for beginner and advanced users alike. Python programming. Python project you can do. Particle mapper. You could map the particles of your room. This framework is meant to be implemented in real life. If you get a machine, You could use this program to actually map the particles of your room in real life. Let's check it out. This is the command to run it. I named my file roommapper.py. Pretend the black screen is the matter in your room. Say it's the wall in your room, the black screen, the wall. Well, we click, we reveal the particles. Particle mapper. We're revealing the particles. Particle scanner. The particle scanner. The black screen is the wall in your room. Now we're scanning the particles, the revealed particle mapper. Could be anything, a wall, it could be a cup, a can, your couch. Let's try again. This is an empty canvas, a framework. Could be implemented in real life. Particle mapper. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Wait, let's see what we used. T. Kinter.